phone talk recording. This is the only other thing is not. One video. Video is with respect to subject and focus. That is the video. But if persons are not project who is released on bail by released on regular. That is the video. So far as these two accused are concerned, only. That is subsequent to the registration of FIR. This two. No. The FIR was registered. Right, 25. After this, thereafter this talk added. So when this call recording was taken, Abdul Rauf is the relative of complainant. Abdul Rauf. Abdul Rauf, yes. He is the relative of complainant. And Sabir is the husband. Sabir the accused number 2. Sabir is the accused number. Okay. So both of you talking in the same phone, it seems that. Yes. Because there is Sabir also, Abeda also. Abeda husband. Abeda is wife, Sabir is husband. Who is before this article? Ultimately, the talk pertains to that do some settlement or. The life of the complainant had registered prior FIR. There are in all total 5 FIR. 4 of 5 FIR are related to the complainant. Means they are maximum they are trying the maximum ફરિયાદ થવાનું એ લોકો કોશિશ કરે છે. તેના માટે આ લોકોને બીવડાવવા માટે કે હવે આવનાર દિવસોમાં તમે વિડિયો ન બનાવો અગર તો જનરેટ ન કરો એટલે જર્નલિસ્ટ જે પણ જર્નલિઝમ કરતા હોય તો એમને તાત્કાલિક શું આ રીતે ફિટ કરવા માટે કે તમારા ઉપર આપણે ફરિયાદ કરીશું because extortion doesn't have any type of evidence, no recovery, no discovery. એક એલિગેશન ઉપર થઈ જાય કે ભાઈ એક્સટોર્શન આમને કરે પણ ક્યાં પૈસા ક્યાં કદાચ સુધી પૈસા હોય તો એમને પોતાનું ઘર લઈ એ ઘર એમના છોકરાઓ સારા નતો તો શું કહેવાય એમનું ફી સુધી અત્યારે બાકી છે. Okay, 1 minute. In this case, the extortion money is not been paid nor has been received. So there is no question of building some house or etc. But prior YouTube check. But in that also we had not good money. If we had taken money, then where is evidence? Somewhere it must be there, money in my account, in my vehicle. But there, it is not their case at all. You received extortion money. The case against you is that by creating the news on WhatsApp or social media, you try to create a terror in the mind of the complainant and other persons, and thereby your activity is criminal activity of extortion. That is their case. So you might have succeeded in other case for which no case has been registered. In this case, you got some tough competence. Lordship, I just want to submit two more points. Actually, they are stating that it's a criminal offense. So beating and killing is a criminal offense. because they have beaten an advocate also. That is
that we are concerned with your role now.
It's my role. And they have a muscle power, money power, and everything there. And they are using their influence through that muscle power and money power. Nothing else. Just if we will take the co-accused number 2, that Joseph fellow, if we will take, they have kidnapped him. Actually, kidnapped purpose.
But that you have already argued. Yes, you have argued yesterday.
Yes.
So don't repeat that.
But એમના કને કઈ પૈસા નથી કઈ છે નહીં અને એમને જે કીધું કે ડિમાન્ડ કરેલું છે તો ડિમાન્ડ કરેલું કઈ પણ એમના કને ટ્રાન્સક્રિપ્ટ નથી કે ભાઈ એમને ડિમાન્ડ કરેલું nothing no.
So now not a single line what you have argued yesterday. Conditions.
This is wrong.
Conditions. OJF has been granted bail. Your investigation is pending. So
condition which has been given at the imposed at the time of releasing project on bail, that can be taken care.
What is the now the final?
It is
Final. The capital government.
page number 84.
Yes. So those similar conditions. Similar conditions. Marking presence.
Before concerned police station is Shahpur police.
So similar condition, you will mark presence till filing of charge sheet, and you will not post any
Video.
hurting the sentiments or in any nature which would attract. You will file that undertaking.
Yes.
File that your undertaking.
Undertaking for the applicant on mine as an advocate.
On instruction, you take instruction that any sentimental post or any post in the nature of criminal that will not be posted. For such news, you may continue with your legal journalism.
But no sentimental post.
For that, why should we enter into?
The Honorable Court may say like this, he may refrain from such activities. That will cover the purpose. He may continue with his activity, journalism activity. There is no problem.
But then who will decide? Who will decide that?
But they have to how to listen. Because
That would create more problem. Or you will remain outside Ahmedabad for till charge sheet is filed.
the issue is as such. ચાર્જ મોકલા વખતે અને કદાચ સુધી 1 મહિના સુધી બ્રેક એટલે ચાર્જશીટ થાય ત્યાં સુધી જર્નલિઝમ કે કદાચ સુધી એમને વિડિયો નો પોસ્ટ કરવો હોય તો it will be okay.
અને એ તો એમને નથી કરવાના તમે.
Now you will not do. Look into your talk.
Because Ahmedabad, because their children are there.
So mother can stay, husband can remain outside.
But they doesn't have any from source of everything. Presence or something like that, it will be weekly presence if you don't worship. Or monthly, fortnightly, 15 days.
Let him till charge sheet. Every week they will file charge sheet. You will not commit any such type of activities that can be
From activity.
not involved in the criminal activities.
Please.
Okay, months okay. And indicated in the case of C2, I will not ensure that repeat number 2 in the FIR while logging the FIR of FIR.
Hmm.
So your lordship, there is a law that place into service the copy of FIR starting from page 14.
Hmm.
And on page 15, Lord, I am 35 Ahmedabad.
As per the case of prosecution, one person, namely Bharatbhai Sukhabhai Rabari, who is resident of Gandhinagar, who runs a syndicate, and in his syndicate, he will hire, or rather I may say take his brothers, his cousins and his other relatives as my lord his fellow persons, his subordinates, and that is how my lord by committing the various offences as a gang, as a syndicate in the area of Gandhinagar, Surendranagar and Patan district, he runs this gang law, and in entirely against this gang there are proposed 10 offences by the prosecutor, and there are not 6 persons who have been taken as accused in the present case. I am arranged as accused number 2. Now, Lordship may kindly see page 21. If your Lordship were to see page 21, page 21 is the list which starts as a list of total 5 offences. I will not place into service the separate FIRs of those 5 offences, wherein below the allegations are labeled. These are the 5 offences which are taken into consideration while taking me as an accused of procedure. There are 2 sets of allegations in this procedure of FIR. One set is against Bharatbhai Rabari, that who formed this Ramadhani gang, and he used to commit the offences with aid of this accused person. I, from accused number 2 to accused number 6 are the milord, his aides, his subordinates, against whom there are allegations of committing the offences, or I may say, milord, as aiding the main accused in committing the offence. Beyond that, sir, there is no allegation. Lordship may kindly see that remand application I placed into service on page 32. And the grounds for which the remand was sought before this honorable court.
Yes.
On page 33, sir. Page 33, the very first point. आरोपी भरतभाई रबारी मुख्य सूत्रधार है, जो इस स्टेट ऑफ रामाधणी ના નામે ગેંગ બનાવી ગાંધીનગર અમદાવાદ શહેર તથા પાટણ અને સુરેન્દ્રનગર જિલ્લાના વિસ્તારોમાં ગુનાઓ આચરેલ છે તથા अन्य आरोपी हरिभाई रबारी तो भरतभाई रबारी નો સગો નાનો ભાઈ છે. This is how my lord I have been arraigned. Now 5 FIRs have been my lord alleged against me, which are my lord source of consideration by the investigating officer. Out of which I would take your lordship to page 80, the FIR of University, and more particularly on page 82. Purely an allegation that this complainant owed some money and for which a phone call was made. This is the sole allegation with form base of the FIR. Then your lordship may kindly have page 76. The FIR of 294B, 5062 and 427. And on page 78 for your lordship's time period, only last 3 lines, sir. With time permission I may read. મને ડર લાગતો પીજીબી હોટલમાં બેસી ગયો.
Page number?
Sir, page number 78.
78.
78.
Yes. Yes.
Please. Last but the third line, but the fourth line. મને ડર લાગતા હું પીજીબી હોટલમાં બેસી રહેલા અને ત્યારબાદ 6:01 વાગ્યાની આસપાસ હોટલની બહાર આવી મારી ગાડી લેવા જતા મારી ગાડીના ચારે બાજુના તમામ કાચ તૂટી ગયેલ હતા તેમજ ગાડીના બોનેટ ઉપર કાળા પડી નુકસાન કરેલ હતી તેથી આ મારી ગાડીને આ ભરતભાઈ રબારી તથા હરી રબારી ધ પ્રેઝન્ટ એપ્લિકન્ટ નાઓએ નુકસાન કરેલ હોય તે મને શંકા છે. So based on the assumption my name was in there. And my lord, as I submitted very humbly before the honorable court in the lord starting of my submission, that I am brother of the main. And very similarly, sir, very similarly, one more person, accused number 3, Ajmal Bhai Sukhabhai Rabari, who also happens to be real brother of this Bharat Bhai Sukhabhai Rabari, who approached before your lordship, before this honorable court. And he prayed for sitting regular. And his regular being was considered by my lords. And the order for your lordship's kind permission is placed into service on page 105.
Yes, and
Lordship. So, my main sum and substance that there are 5 offences alleged against me which are considered while lodging the good seat of case. In none of the cases, sir, I have been convicted or I have been held convicted by the any honorable court of competent jurisdiction. Those trials are going on. So, this is the case where I have not been convicted. There are certain FIRs where private dispute is involved. And there are certain FIRs where, because I happen to be real brother of the main accused, I have been taken as accused. And, in none of the cases I had convicted. I am in custody since the date of my arrest. Now, investigation is over and charge sheet has been filed. So, sir, there is no likelihood of any tampering or hampering with the prosecution witnesses or, running away from the cause of justice. So, looking to all this, I would pray the honorable court to consider my case. And so far as one case is concerned of Radhanpur was a arms act allegation, but that is not against me. That is against the present, the accused number 1, the main accused, not against me, sir. So, and no arms or no any deadly weapon has been, recovered, discovered so far as that case is concerned. So, looking to all this, I would pray the honorable court to consider my case on grounds of parity and on the ground that the charge sheet has been filed. And this is the very first bail application which has been filed by me, sir. Sir, I will read my case. I will.
The Ramadhani gang that comprises of total 6 accused persons. Most of the accused persons are interconnected or there happens to be the family members. So out of 6 accused persons, 4 are arrested, against whom charge sheet came to be filed before this honorable court. 2 persons are still unstoppable. Now this gang operates mainly in the area of Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Patan and Surendranagar. Against this gang particular 6 accused persons, in all 10 offences are registered
against the syndicate.
against the syndicate. Now the leader of the syndicate is Bharat Bhai Sukhabhai Rabari, who happens to be the brother of the present applicant. Now, so far as the present applicant accused is concerned, against whom 5 offences are registered. Syndicate operates since 2016 to 2026. Was the first offence was registered in the year of 2016, and the last offence, which was registered against the syndicate as well as the present applicant, is 2026. Now, I will take the honorable court to the offences which has been registered against the present applicant. I invite attention of this honorable court to kindly come to page number 21 of the affidavit filed by the investigating officer.
Page number 21.
Page number 21 of the affidavit. There is a gist of the FIR against the present applicant. There are 5 offences registered against the present applicant. The first offence, which is pending for final adjudication before the concerned court. The first FIR has been registered in the year of 2022 before Info City Police Station, where the present applicant along with the main leader is there in column number 4. And if the honorable court will kindly see column number 3, the gist of this FIR, the honorable court would find હરિભાઈ રબારી નાઓ ફરિયાદીને તેના મોબાઈલ નંબર 100 ઉપર ફોન કરી ગાળાગાળી કરી ગાળો બોલી અને કહેવા લાગે કે દર્શનસિંહ ઉર્ફે ગોપીના રૂપિયા આપી દે નહીતર જાનથી મારી નાખી એવી ધમકીઓ આપેલી તેમજ આરોપી ભરતભાઈ રબારી નાઓએ જેના મોબાઈલ નંબર 100 તથા 100 ઉપરથી ફોન કરીને તેણે પણ ગાળો બોલી જાનથી મારી નાખવાની ધમકીઓ આપેલી તેમજ બાજુમાંથી કન્ટ્રી વોક નામની દુકાન ચલાવતા જિગ્નેશભાઈ ફરિયાદીને જણાવે કે તમારા કેફે બાર ઉપર કેટલાક અજાણ્યા માણસો આવીને તોડફોડ કરે છે. They have created a ruckus in a cafe bar અને સ્ટાફના માણસોને ગાળો બોલે છે તેવું જણાવે અને સુરત કાંઠિયાવાડી જાયપુર નામની રેસ્ટોરન્ટના સ્ટાફના છોકરાઓને આ આરોપીએ તલવાર મારીને કપાળમાં ઈજા કરી કેફે બારના મેનેજર દેવેન્દ્રભાઈ ફરિયાદીને જણાવે કે 6 ઈસમોએ કાળા કલરની ફોર્ચ્યુનર નંબર 100 ની લઈને કેફે બારમાં આવીને અમને ગાળા મિલી ધમકીઓ આપી મેજિસ્ટ્રેટ broad daylight this incident had happened. They have rushed to cafe, created a ruckus. Thereafter they say that this is personal animosity or anything. Number 2 is the Boda police station. The proceedings before the concerned police concerned court against the present applicant is pending. There also, column number 4, the honorable court would find that Haribhai is there along with the main leader. એમાં સાહેબ મની ડિસ્પ્યુટ હતો. The accused persons came armed with a stick and dharia, entered the farmhouse and created a ruckus, for which this FIR came to be read. So, fellow offense, cafe, second offense, farmhouse. There, one Bharat was inflicted stick blow. The Bharat happens to be probably the accused in that the Buddha FIR. He has inflicted stick blow on to the complainant. So the third offense, page number 24. Third offense has been registered before Adalat police station in the year of 2025. એમની એક્ટિવિટી આપ જોશો ને તો ઇટ ઇઝ કન્ટિન્યુઇંગ ઇન નેશન 2022 માં 2024 2025 2026 તો સેક્શન 21C નો જે રાઇડર છે the requirement for invoking Sojitra that has been satisfied. That is what I am submitting to the honorable court. That has been registered in the year of 2025. That FIR is also pending. There the indication કે ગાંધીનગર જમીન દલાલીનું કામ નહીં કરવા દઉં તેમ કરીને ફોન ઉપર ગાળાગાળી કરું. ત્યારે અજમલ જે નામદાર કોર્ટે છોડેલો છે જે અજમલ કરીને આરોપી છે આ એફઆઈઆર ની અંદર 506 ના ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સ અને સાથે સાથે BMW ગાડીવાળી જે અમદાવાદ વસ્ત્રાપુર પોલીસ સ્ટેશન વાળો ગુનો છે એ બે ગુનાની અંદર અજમલ હતો એ સિરિયસ નોટ સિરિયસ ઇન નેચર.
પ્રેઝન્સ નહોતી એની ત્યાં.
હા એટલા માટે સાહેબ આ સાહેબે એમને રેગ્યુલર બેલ આપો સાહેબ. અધરવાઇઝ ઇફ ધી ઓનરેબલ કોર્ટ મે સી ધી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પેજ નંબર 26 ઉપર પાટણની એફઆઈઆર છે રાધનપુર પોલીસ સ્ટેશનમાં રજીસ્ટર થયેલી છે 2026. Kindly see this incident had taken place